I'm going to show you how to trade ORCA in Axiom. So to get started, you have to open axiomtrade.com and then sign in into your account, of course. Make sure that you have signed in into your account, or if you don't have one, just create. And then from here, just click on search bar right here and then type in ORCA. So we need to trade ORCA, so we'll just search for ORCA right there and then click on ORCA. So from here, it will just redirect you to a chart where ORCA trade will be shown. And then from here, how to trade is all you have to do is just go to the right side pane right here, which it says buy or sell. So in this space, make sure that you have a balance or USDC or Solana or any other currency. Make sure that you have a Solana, of course, because the main coin in this Axiom is Solana. So from there, you can trade via, for example, you have to buy, you can edit it via market order or sell it via market order. So from there, you can just input all the necessary amount that you want to trade. You can add also, you can trade via limit. So you can set your limits. So whenever you want to buy or sell, you can set it right there and then click on sell on the bottom right here. So in same case with buy, you can also limit order right there, then set it and then click on buy. So that's pretty much it. That's how you trade ORCA on Axiom Trade.